Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Apple Pay on TikTok. So let's get into the video. So if you want to pay Apple Pay on TikTok, unfortunately you won't be able to do it directly, but you can use Apple Pay to purchase some TikTok coins, which you can redeem when you make a purchase on TikTok Shop. So what happens is that, so if you go to your balance, so once you're logged into your TikTok account, so go to your profile and then go to balance. Click on the three options there on your top right and then go to balance. So when you select balance, what you're going to do, you're going to click on TikTok coins and then purchase some TikTok coins. So when you purchase it, you can pay it using your Apple Pay. So use your Apple Pay, or if you have the Apple Pay cash card, you can use that. So and make the payment and then get the Apple Pay, the TikTok coins. So these coins will be added to your your TikTok account balance, which you can, when you go to your TikTok shop and then select an item and make a purchase. And when you do that, you can simply use this balance to make the purchase if you have sufficient balance. So that's how you can use TikTok shop on you can use Apple Pay on TikTok shop. Hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.